This is a level crossing from Woodward Rd. It is now on today. You see it right there? This one has got visiting column has e-bells, visiting column has barriers, 7 sets of monstrous opinions LED lights. I've never seen this anything like it. Here comes the train. There could be 2 trains here, but I don't know. Up goes the barriers. Okay, so we got 4 sets of visiting column here. I thought that was 2, but there was actually 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 sets of monstrous opinions LED lights, and 2 visiting column haze barriers. So yeah, that's it.